Welcome children to our next class. Last time we had learned 8 saved by prime factorization method. But now we are going to learn another method, the long division method. Okay. So I'll just explain the steps and do a couple of sums for you. I hope you'll understand, but children, you have to pay attention to each and every step very carefully. Okay. Now 8 saved by long division method. The first step is divide the greater number by the smaller number. When there are two numbers. When there are three numbers also, I will show you how to do. Step 2 is, now whatever remainder you get after dividing, that will become the divisor. And the first divisor will be the dividend now. Okay. So this step, when I explain in the sums, please be attentive, listen carefully. And the third step is we have to just continue the second step till the remainder is 0. And the last divisor will become the 8th step. This is a very convenient method of finding the 8th step. So please listen carefully to the explanation. Long division method, find the 8th step of 36 and 84. So when there are two numbers, we are going to divide 84 and 36. These two numbers we will divide, and which one we will divide? 84 by 36. Isn't it? The greater number becomes the dividend, 84 will become the dividend, and 36 will become the divisor. And this 36 is called the first divisor. First divisor, which we are going to divide now. So this division you have already done. You have to see how many times it will go. 36 2s is 12 to 3 is 72. 36 3s is how much? 3 6 18, 8 carried 1, 3 3 9 10. So 108 is greater. So we have to write 36 2s is 72. Then you subtract as usual. You get your 2 and remainder is 1. So your division is complete here, isn't it? 36 2s are 72. You get 12 as the remainder. So our division is complete. 84 is completely, we have divided by 36 and this is the remainder. Now according to the second step, this will become the divisor now and the first divisor will become the dividend now. Okay. And then we have to divide. Now here in this case, see 12 3s is 36. So there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. Did you understand? Then the last divisor, when the remainder is 0, this last divisor is the 8th step. Okay, because this is a common factor to both 84 and 36. Is it clear, all of you? So I have highlighted it. Go through the steps and try this sum in your practice copy. Next, let us see another one. Find the 8th step of 60, 45 and 75. So here first we will take two numbers. Okay. So actually you can take any two numbers here. Okay. It's not that you have to take the first two or the second two or whatever it is. You can take any two numbers from here. So I've taken 60 and 45. And I will first find the highest common factor of 60 and 45. So once I get the highest common factor of these two, so then I will find the highest common factor of that number and 75, which will give you the final highest common factor. Okay. So if I take 60 and 45, first we find the 8th step of 60 and 45. So as usual, 45 is the first divisor, 60. So 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are you have to try. Okay, so it's more. So 45 ones are 45. Then we subtract and we get 15. Now this is the divisor now. And the first divisor will become the dividend. Is it clear, all of you? So when you divide, you get 15 3s are 45. and the remainder is 0. So when you get the remainder 0, remember the divisor, this is the common factor for both. This is the HCF. Okay. Now 3 is a factor, but it is not the highest common factor. Here also 1 is a factor of every number, isn't it? But we have to find the highest common factor, which is, so 15 will divide both these numbers. Exactly, without any remainder. So HCF of 45 and 60 is 15. Is it clear, all of you? Now there's another number left. There were 3 numbers, isn't it? So when we get the highest common factor of 45 and 60 to be 15, now we have to find out the HCF of 15 and the last number, 75. And here we see 15 directly goes 5 times the 25, 5 carry 2, 5 and the 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? So, and if there is any remainder, in case there's a remainder, again you'll continue. 15 is the first divisor, and you'll continue like that, isn't it? But since there's no remainder, we stop here. And so, this is the highest common factor of 15 and 75. In fact, after you finish, this will become the highest common factor of all the 3 numbers. HCF of 60, 45 and 75 is 15. So just go through these 2 sums. Follow the steps, read the steps first, then go through these sums and the explanations, and then you do these 4 sums in your classwork. Okay, children, if you do these 4 sums, you will know whether you have understood or not. So I'll get back to you next with more sums on HCF, and we'll do LCM also. So till then, please be thorough with the HCF. In case you have not understood a particular step, you can always contact me. Till then, goodbye.